Assalamu alaikum, and today we will learn that how we can create macros in Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel provide macros which help us to produce the sales ledger. For example, this is the sales ledger. We can use it right now. Sales ledger, you can use it anywhere else where you want to use it. So if you see the sales ledger, there is a three departments have been available in the sales ledger, and they have done the different sales, and I don't know that which department have did the different sale. If you see on bottom of the C cell, there is a column available with sales. If I will change the drop box into operations, so you can see all the operations data are available, the name of the person which have done the sales and what the product is sold and what amount and how number of units have been sold. So this is we are learning today that how we can create macros in Excel. This is a very useful tool, and you can use it in many of ways according to your professional life. So one, I would like to request you that 82% of people are watching our video but did not subscribe our channel. If you will get subscription, so I will get motivated and I will make some enthusiastic topics for you in future as well. So let's start the session. So first thing you need to create it, go in data and then select data validation, and then select data validation also once again. So in allow list you need to select a list. Now you need to give a source. You can type it or you can just click on this button and select the range. I will select these four of them in the range of department. So now I am selecting this one. Now I will click on OK. If you can see, my list have been made, and sales and call center, all the three options of departments are available over here. So next step, you need to select the whole table and record your macros. Now how you can record your macros? You need to click on developer tab. If this tab is not available on your Microsoft Excel, what you need to do is you just need to click on this ribbon on right click, and there is a customize ribbon option available. You will click it and you can see the developer option have been checked. In my case, if it is unchecked, in your case you will check it and then OK it. Now I will click on record macros. So here I will click on it. So right now I am given the name run macro 1. You can give your name as you wanted to give it. Then click on OK. Now the macro have been recording right now. You can see there is the option available stop recording, but right now we did not need to stop it. I will go to my home screen once again and then go to the data and then select the advanced filter option. Now I want to select the advanced filter option. Now it is asking the range, that the range they need it. First of all, we need to copy the data, so we need to select this, copy to another location. Then the select range is already selected, which I already selected the range. Now it's asking the criteria range. What is the criteria range? So once again you want to type it, you can type it, otherwise you will click on this and you will select this and then click on this, it will do the same. Now it asking about that where you want to copy it. So I am, once again, you want to type it or you want to select it. I will click on this and select these cells over here, that it will record the macro. So this is how you can do it. And now I will little give you a brief description. Then macro will recording right now what the step I am doing right now. I have used the advanced filter, so macro have record these step and made the coding in our VBA. So right now I am clicking OK. Now you can see the table have been made, but if I will change it over here, from call center, then you will see that no changes has been made. It is not working for us right now. So what I need to do is, so now we need to go once again to the developer tab and stop recording the macros. So now I have stopped the recording of macros. So now we need to click on Alt F11 button. So the macros have been opened. Now this is my macros. Now I need to go on modules, in which this is the sheet 2. You can see I already made the sheet 1, so I will click on module 2. Now this is the macro which have been recorded for us by the Visual Basic. So this is how you can do it. So there is a line which is starting from the range of this is an advanced filter. This is the line which we needed, and rest of the all the things are not needed. You can just select this and over here and delete it. Now this is how the macro have been done. What you write now, basically this has been run and this have been paste the data over the below table. So this event we need to call on the sheet 2. So we will go to the sheet 2 and double click on it. Now there is a option available where we need to coding the Visual Basic. First of all, you need to select the tab over here, then select the worksheet, because we need to do the coding on worksheet. But the function we need to change it, it's worksheet selection changing, but we need to select the function which will change. So we will select this worksheet function, it will when change. So right now I am deleting it, and then I will type over here call and the same macro which I have been made over the module as well. So this is the macro which I have been made. It will be called on the sheet 2 as well. So once again I need to go to my module 2. Now what I need to do is I need to basically it will start a loop over here and it will hang over Excel. So there is 2 lines which we need to edit in the code to avoid the Excel. Make sure that these 2 lines must be added accordingly as I am adding it in the coding of Visual Basic. So first of all you need to type application dot enable event and select false. Same line you need to type it at the end of the function, before the end of the function, and then in this time you need to true it. So this is how. Now I will show you that the sheet is now working it. So let's play it, and I will go to my Excel sheet, and if you will see I will selecting call center, then you can see all the call center are available here. The call center data, sales and products are available for us, and this is a very simple way. One more thing I want to tell you, that when you want to save this file, because the macro have been added, you will not save normally. You need to save and select this file, save as, then select your location where you want to save it, and then select the option XLSM, Excel Micro Enable Workbook. If you will select this option, then it will save your macro as well, and whenever you open it you can edit it accordingly and do your work according to your needs. So I will save it. Now this is have been saved, and I will close the window. So this is I have been saved. So I hope that you will like today's session, If you like it, please press the like button. We are very thankful to you. Thank you.